There's nothing worse than watching someone lose a hearing I know they should win, especially if I could have helped. Over the course of the last decade, I've watched hundreds of restraining order hearings, and I've helped dozens of people win them. I listened to a hearing today that really stood out. Procedurally, it was like any other restraining order hearing. The judge asked the plaintiff why she wanted the restraining order, and she began to explain. She started to list all her reasons, and it became clear to me pretty early that she didn't have the basis for a restraining order. What we weren't hearing was why she had a reasonable fear of imminent physical harm. This wasn't that kind of a case. Instead, what she explained was that there was a breakup and there was an argument, and now she was mad and she didn't want to be around her boyfriend anymore. And I can understand that, but that's not enough to get a restraining order. Instead, what I heard was the judge asked the defendant what his thoughts were. And I've tried to cut that recording so you can hear it now.
Okay, do you oppose her request for an extension of the order?
Now, I don't know why he would have said that. My guess is that he wanted nothing to do with her in the future, and he thought this order would help her stay away. But that's a common mistake. Restraining orders only bind the defendant. The plaintiff does not have to obey the order. Another mistake is to imagine that a restraining order is no big deal. It can have unexpected consequences, and it creates a record that will follow the defendant for the rest of their life. Most importantly, even accidental contact by the defendant with the plaintiff can result in a prosecution and an expensive, lengthy defense. So it always makes sense to protect yourself from a restraining order. The first step is to hire competent, qualified, experienced legal representation, like me, Chris Fiorentino at Fiorentino Legal. Call me anytime, day or night, at 617-990-2568. That's my cell phone number. Call me, I'll be happy to help.